Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download Fraps. If you don't know, Fraps is a software used to determine and display the frames per second in a game. Okay, to start off, there'll be a link in the description, or you can literally just search up Fraps. You're going to go into download the setup. As soon as that's done, open it, allow it, press yes. Right now, you have to press I agree, another thing. Choose where you want to install it. I'm just going to let it do its thing. I wouldn't recommend messing with any of this. Just let it do what it has to do. And then, bam, there's Fraps. As easy as that. Allow it, press yes. See, as you can see with Fraps, it gives you options on what to do. You can change the benching hotmark key, so I can put it as 0 if I wanted, but I'm not going to because I'm not insane. I'm going to keep it as F11. So what that's going to do is actually benchmark it, and that's going to toggle the overlay as where to put it. So that is basically how you get Fraps. I can load up a game now, actually. What's a game that doesn't take too long to load? You know what? I'm just going to load up, we'll just load up Overwatch. Not Overwatch, sorry. We'll load up Gmod. There we go. It's going to be launching Steam, and I'll show you how Fraps works. See, I'm using a hard drive, hence the slower boot times with games. Right, okay, as you can see in the top left already, it's displaying an FPS counter, even though there's no frames actually being used right now. I don't know what Gmod's doing, but see, it changes to match the frame. I've already got the FPS thing on for Steam, so it shows that anyway. But Fraps also does it in a larger proportion. Right, yeah, there you go. Right, so in the top left is showing what I'm running Gmod at on the main menu. And when you go into this works for all games. So I'm running about 299. And when you press F12, see it's moved to the top right. And it's taking a screenshot because my key on Steam is F12 screenshots. But it moves around. So it's gone, and it's back. F11, you benchmark it. That is Fraps. Oh, there you go. There's all Fraps does. Displays the frames, and that's how you get it. I'll leave a link to the website in the description below. If there's any problems, there shouldn't be, but if you do have any issues, let me know in the comments, and I will help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.